Hi, I'm Isai Ogarrio Martinez, Administrative Assistant for the Communications Department, and this is your MPUSD Minute.
Congratulations to the first CNA class at the Monterey Adult School. Students in the Certified Nursing Assistant course completed the program where they learned theory and had the opportunity to do hands-on training. This is a great way to start your career in the healthcare field. Seaside High School artists have been working with MPUSD's Adult Transition Program students to design and paint chalkboard murals for students to get creative with chalk. This project has been in motion for several months, and it's a wonderful opportunity for students to cross-collaborate and unleash their artistic side. Marina High seniors participated in mock interviews this week as part of their seniors portfolio. Students engaged in interviews conducted by local community members. Volunteers provided feedback and strengths, areas of improvement, and career plans. This is your MPUSD Minute.